Hi, my name is Lisa. You can find me on YouTube at Needles, and today I'm going to be showing how to wrap rocks or shells or other objects with wire. This is an example of a rock that I wrapped. It's a very simple basket that we wrap around. And at the end you can also add spirals. You need your wire cutters with a nice flat edge so it cuts straight. Your round nose pliers and your chain nose pliers, which these are very thin so you can have details. Your wire, which can be from gauge 18 to 22. This is a 20 copper wire, and just remember that the smaller the number, the thicker the wire. So for bigger objects, I would probably use thicker wire, and smaller objects can use thinner wire, such as this. I like copper because it's malleable. And you need to choose if you want a seed, a shell, a rock, the material you're going to wrap. First, you take your object you're going to wrap and your wire. The wire should go around the object, fitting 2 fingers around the whole object. Then you cut the size. This is one of your wires, and now you need to cut another one the same size. Grab your 2 wires just off center here, pinching them. These sides can be straight, and these sides you separate. From this position, pinch your wires and turn it like a key or a helicopter about 3 times, 3 or 4. Should look like this. Now take your wire, and you need to put the item, in one side. Okay. A little bit before is where you're going to turn it again. The same way as you did before. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, you've just made the bottom wire for your object to sit in, as shown here. Okay. You're going to open the wire. Use your fingers or pliers, and set your object in the middle. These are going to be on the sides. Such as this. Now, you're going to separate the wires on the top that are next to each other and the wires towards the back. And these are going to create the second wrap. Now pinch your wires together. This should be very tight, so it's a good wrap. And do the same movement as before, making sure that your wires stay in the position that they are. 2, 3, and 4. And on the other side, the same. 1. Oops. 1, 2. Bring your wires to the top and separate the the two that are together from the other two. Yeah. The top wire, you're going to make a loop with your round nose pliers. Wrap your wire tightly around several times. And you should have a nice loop. Now, if you choose, you can take the ends and add a bead or a spiral, which I'm going to do with this one wire here. And you can cut the rest of the wires. Close to the top. And so they don't poke, you want to tuck them in with your chain nose pliers. Now you have your final project. I hope you enjoyed making your first wire wrapped object. Thanks for joining. I hope you had fun and enjoyed the video. If you did, click like and subscribe to my channel of Needles.